Hello, this is a demonstration video for our assignment 2 for group 16, and here we have in this assignment we are trying to predict the type of ASL language that is uploaded through a CSV. So for that I have added a menu item here with go to training, so you can go there and train your model. So you go to training and it's a simple layout with one upload CSV button, and here you have upload file using upload button. So here it will show you if file successfully uploaded or not. So let's go ahead and upload CSV some. So here I have already downloaded some CSV, so I can choose let's choose father, and it detected father, and we get a message file uploaded successfully. If does not upload successfully, then we will get file retry again. And here again let's detect something else. So let's say we detect about. It's detected about, and since it's very fast, that's why we are getting directly getting detected about or detected father. Otherwise it will show detecting. And now if I press back button, then we'll go back to our main activity, because that was from where we came to that training activity. So this is our app demonstration. Now let's go and do code walkthrough. Now for that I have made one training activity and related uh, activity training XML layout, and that XML layout is a constraint layout with a button and two text view. So as you can see it here, it have a one upload button and two text view as file status and ML status. File status show you if file uploaded successfully or not, and ML status show you if what was it, if it's detecting, or if it's detected father, or if it detected about. And we have a request file code, which is a 123 for requesting file code. So what I do is on create function, I have initiated all the views, and then this upload button, I have added one on click listener, which after clicking it will go through this file intent category. And as you can see, it's a lambda version. So it's like a IntelliJ itself is giving this lambda, converted this into lambda. So anyway, so this function will be called in on click function of this on click listener. And in that on click function it will be it's a file intent where I'm setting the type of the file I want, and then I'm setting the action, which is get content, and then I'm starting activity for result with a given request file code, which was 123. So then I check it here on activity result. If I get the file, then I try to detect the category, and I have added the file path to current CSV. So what is detect category? Detect category is a function which initiates a ML detector function class, and then it's execute that. And ML detector is an async task, which I have defined it here, with a file as an input, integer as a progress, and a string as a result. And on its do in background function, what we do, we get the file value and we call CSV parser, which is our custom class, and then we get feature vector list, and then we use decision tree classifier to detect the classifier, build a classifier, and then we do classifier dot classify vectors to find out the result. And I have also added end time and running time, just to be sure, just to find out how much time it is taking. And then we have this on progress update, and then we have on post execute. And in post execute we are updating current result. We are calling this function, which is here. So text result detected, and you show the result, and you set the status to this text result. That's what we did. Now we can go ahead and look at the classifier. So it starts with the CSV parser file. So here we have a parse CSV, which is just a normal buffer reader, and we have added a proper try catch to get the correct exception, and for so that our app does not crash if it doesn't follow some rule. And then we are getting all the feature vectors, and then splitting in the line by our separator, which is comma. And then we are setting when setting the appropriate left shoulder score or right shoulder score, etc. And then here we have decision tree classifier, and we use that to classify our vector. So what we actually do is for all feature vectors, we try to find out the type of the feature vector, and if it's one, then it's about, or if it is not one, then it's father. So we do that, and then we decide if the about count is greater than father count, then it is about, otherwise it's father. So that's our decision tree classifier, and that's what we have. So this was our code walkthrough. Now for showing how much time it is taking on app for running this application, we can do that. So let's replay this app, and if we go here in training activity, I have added this ML detector start time log, and then ML detector end time, and ML detector running time, which is just end time minus the start time. So we will show that in we'll see that in our tag. So let's run this. Okay, it will run here. So see, it's building. Let's open LagCat also. And it was something which I was doing earlier. So for that we saw all these start time, run time. So it's installing APK. I have launched activity here, and I already log in because I have already logged in on this device. So again, let's go to training and upload CSV. Direct father upload CSV about detector about. And as you can see here, we get our ML detector start time, end time. So for the father one, it took 96 milliseconds, and for other one it took 69 milliseconds. So I'm getting this values from current time in milliseconds. So yeah, this was our results, and this was our code walkthrough for our assignment 2 for the project for the group 16. Thanks a lot.